Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to tell you about another technical analysis chart pattern which is symmetrical triangle, so every trader should need to know about it. So before starting the video, please subscribe our channel to get technical analysis video. First of all, a symmetrical triangle is a price pattern that forms when support and resistance levels converge. This continuation pattern, or pattern that occurs mid-trend, is likely to continue following the trend after a breakout. In this video, we'll discuss how symmetrical triangles form, how to use them to identify potential buy and sell signals, and what actions you may consider if a breakout occurs. First, let's discuss why this pattern exists. Symmetrical triangles occur when a stock is consolidating or trending sideways. Consolidation is regarded as a period of investor indecision that ends when a trend stops moving sideways and either continues or reverses direction. Basically, consolidation occurs when buyers and sellers are equally unsure if a trend is going to continue. During this period of indecision, support and resistance levels inch toward each other. This creates a symmetrical triangle. Now that you understand how a symmetrical triangle forms, let's learn how to identify the pattern. First, the stock price needs to touch the rising support level at least twice and the diminishing resistance level at least twice as well. If this pattern continues, support and resistance levels will eventually cross. When they do, this cross point is called the apex. While stocks rarely reach the apex, it's an important element. Consider when setting price targets, which we'll explain later. The next way to confirm a symmetrical triangle is by examining its time frame. Triangles usually take between 3 weeks and 3 months to form. If this pattern forms in less than 3 weeks, it's generally considered a pennant. Now that you know how to identify a symmetrical triangle, let's discuss how they can be used to identify potential buy and sell signals.